Stellar Blade is finally coming to PC with jaw-dropping upgrades. This is GadInsider, and we're unpacking all the details. So let's jump in. AI-powered graphics, new content, and a boss fight that'll test your skills. Stellar Blade's PC launch is massive. Ready to dive into Eve's world? Keep watching. After rocking the PS5 for over a year, Stellar Blade is hitting PC, and it's bigger than ever. South Korean developer Shift Up announced the PC version comes with unlocked frame rates, extra content, and tech to make your rig sing. Plus, PS5 players are not left out. All new content drops as a free update on consoles. Technical director Donkey Lee says this is the ultimate way to experience Eve's mission, whether you're new or a returning fan. Let's talk tech. Stellar Blade on PC supports AI upscaling and frame generation with NVIDIA DLSS4 and AMD FSR3, so your gameplay will look buttery smooth and crystal clear. Want those high-res textures? Just toggle the 4K texture option in settings. System requirements? You'll need 75 GB of SSD storage and at least 16 GB of RAM. It's ready to pre-order now on Steam and Epic Game Store so you can lock in your copy. Now the juicy stuff. New content. PC players get a new boss fight and boss challenge mode against Man, leader of the Sentinels. Plus, Eve's getting a wardrobe upgrade with 25 new costumes also coming to PS5 for free. Whether you're slicing through enemies or strutting in style, this update makes Stellar Blade even more epic. Stellar Blade's PC launch is shaping up to be a must-play with AI tech, new fights, and tons of style. Are you grabbing it on Steam or Epic? Let us know in the comments. Love gaming news? Smash that subscribe button and join the GadInsider squad. Hit the bell icon to catch every update.